Today we are making delicious Brazilian black beans and corn. It's perfect as a main dish, side dish. You could serve it over rice, tostada, or in a burrito. The possibilities are endless. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making delicious Brazilian black beans and corn. This is a super delicious recipe, very healthy, hearty. The flavors are wonderful, and there's a little kick of sweetness with the corn. You're gonna love it. The Brazilian black beans are delicious just as they are when it's finished, or you could put it on rice, quinoa, couscous, put it in a burrito, use it as a dip for chips, or put it on a taco salad. The possibilities are endless. But I just love it how it is. The ingredients in this recipe are olive oil, chopped onion, minced garlic, minced or grated ginger, canned black beans, canned diced tomatoes, cumin, coriander, frozen corn, kosher salt, fresh ground pepper, and chopped cilantro. The first thing that we need to do is get a medium-sized pot or a deep skillet. We're going to turn the heat on to medium-low. Next, we're going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I'll just put a little more than 1. When the oil gets hot, we're going to go ahead and add our chopped onions. So it feels pretty hot. I have 2½ cups of chopped onions. Go ahead and add that to the oil. We're going to cook the onions until they are soft. Stir them frequently. So the onions are pretty soft. Next, we're going to add our minced garlic. You can mince your own garlic or buy already prepared garlic like I have. So 2 teaspoons. Stir that in. Next, we have 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. You could also grate it. I just got ginger from the produce department, broke off a piece, peeled it with my vegetable peeler, and then cut some pieces off and chopped it really small. So I have 1 tablespoon, I already measured it. Stir that in. We'll cook that a couple more minutes. Stir it frequently. Next, we're going to add our black beans. We have 2 15-ounce cans. I rinsed and drained them. Then we have 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. And a ½ teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground coriander, go ahead and stir these ingredients together. We're going to bring the mixture to a simmer, then simmer this for 5 minutes. Our mixture has come to a simmer. It's a little bit boiling, so I'm going to turn the heat down. Just keep an eye on it so it stays at a simmer. While our mixture is simmering, we'll go ahead and chop the cilantro. And the cilantro is optional for a topping at the end. So I'm going to do that next. And I like to take the stems off, but you don't have to. Go ahead and stir your mixture frequently while it's simmering. So you can chop as much cilantro as you would like. A ½ cup is a good amount. We'll set our cilantro aside. So our beans have been cooking for about 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add the corn. 1½ cups of frozen corn. And you could also use a 15-ounce can of corn. Rinse and drain it. That's delicious too. Next, we have a ½ teaspoon of kosher salt. I like kosher salt, but you could use a different kind of salt if you like. a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper, and I'm just going to eyeball it. Go ahead and stir this in. You could add more salt and pepper at the end if you would like. Now we just need to heat all the ingredients so it's hot all the way through. It'll just take a couple more minutes. Okay, our Brazilian black beans and corn is finished. All the ingredients are heated through. And often I just eat it just like it is, but I have some rice, so I'm going to put it on some rice today. And I'm going to top it with cilantro. And it's pretty hot. I'm going to let it cool a minute, then I'm going to try it. Okay, I'm ready to try this. This is so good, you're going to love it. Try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson. So delicious.